In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and send an invoice using Stripe. Once you're on the Stripe dashboard, click Billing and then select Invoices. Next, click Create an Invoice in the top right corner. If you're creating an invoice for an existing customer, use the customer search field to find their contact information and select the customer. If you need to add a new customer, click Add New Customer. Enter the customer's name or company name, then enter their email address and click Save New Customer. After that, move to the Items section. This is where you'll add the billable items for the invoice. Click Add a one-time item and then enter the quantity. Next, enter the amount you want to charge for that item and save it. If needed, you can also work with taxes and coupons. You can create and apply coupons directly within Stripe if you want to add a discount. To add another billable item, click Add Item, enter the item name, set the quantity, enter the amount, and then save the item. Next, review the tax options. If you need to add a tax rate, create a new tax rate and select the appropriate tax type. Choose the region, enter the tax rate percentage, and select whether the tax should be inclusive or exclusive. Once the tax settings are configured, continue to the memo section. Enter a memo if you want to include one on the invoice. Now choose how the invoice will be paid. If the customer already has a payment method on file, you can charge that payment method. If the customer does not have a payment method on file, select the option to email the invoice to the customer with a link to the payment page. Next, set the due date for the invoice. Choose the payment deadline you want to use. As you complete the invoice details, you'll be able to view a preview showing the items, amounts, taxes, and total. When everything looks correct, click Review Invoice. Check the invoice preview and confirm all of the information is accurate. Once you're ready, click Send Invoice. The invoice will be sent to the customer's email address. The email will include a payment link that the customer can use to access the payment page. When the customer opens the payment page, they can enter their payment details and complete the payment directly through the invoice. After sending the invoice, the process is complete. Your customer will receive the invoice and can use the payment link provided to submit payment. Thank you for watching.